friend, how are you? I'm Jelly. My company is a beauty equipment manufacturer, and I will introduce beauty equipment for my company. Yes, if you are interested in beauty equipment, please subscribe us. And now I will introduce a facial massager. It is a multifunctional facial massager, and this is the package. The package is very nice and cute. And now let's open the package. Okay, this is a facial massager. And it also has a charging cable and a manual teaches us how to use. Okay, this is the model. This model has 4 modes. The first is the cleansing mode. The cleansing mode is used to remove the makeup after washing our face. Yes. Long press the button to turn on the model. Yes. And this button is to adjust the level. The higher levels, the strongest the vibration. Okay, now let's choose the cleansing mode and take out the plastic ring. And now in my hand, this is a cotton pad. Okay, just take out one cotton pad and put it here and use this plastic ring to fix the cotton pad. Of course, you need to add some makeup cleansing water here to help us to clean our face and remove the makeup because it will vibrate, it will shake the dirt loose. Also the makeup shake the makeup, so it will help us to remove makeup very easily. And the second mode is the nourishing mode. This mode helps us to introduce the cream into our skin. And when you choose this mode, you will feel the hand is warm. Yes, it will hit your skin and open the pores of your skin. So when you use this mode, you can introduce the cream to your face very easily. And of course, for this mode, you can also choose the blue light. Yes, the red light is helpful to stimulate the production of collagen and enhance the elasticity of our skin. And the blue light will help us to kill the bacteria on our face, and also it can also enhance the elasticity. And it's very easy to use this mode. Just apply some cream on your face and then you can use it. Yes, because it is warm, it can open your pore and introduce the cream to your skin very easily. Okay, the third mode is the firm mode. And use this mode, you can lift your face like this and do a vibrating massage. And the last mode is the eye massage mode. You can use this mode with the eye cream. You can put some eye cream here and use these models to do an eye massage like this. Yes. Okay, all in all, this model has 4 modes: cleansing mode, Nourishing Mode, Facelifting Mode, and Eye Massage Mode. If you are interested in our product, welcome to contact us. We leave the contact method in the comments. And if you are interested in beauty equipment, please subscribe us. We will update new beauty product regularly. Thank you for watching.